Welcome to the 16th Street Station in Oakland, California, a symbol of resilience and history. Built in 1912 by the Southern Pacific Railroad, this station was more than a transit hub. It played a significant role in shaping West Oakland and was a key stop on the Transcontinental Railroad, connecting the West to the rest of the country. For much of the 20th century, this station was bustling with activity. It was a major hub for passengers heading across the US, and for many African Americans during the Great Migration, it represented the beginning of new opportunities in Oakland. The station was also a portal to San Francisco, with ferries and trains linking travelers to the Bay Area before the Bay Bridge was completed in 1936. One of the station's most remarkable features was its elevated tracks, the first of their kind west of the Mississippi, showcasing cutting-edge engineering at the time. The station also saw hundreds of streetcars and interurban trains moving in and out every day, making it a vital part of the region's transit infrastructure. But the story of 16th Street Station is not just about transportation, it's about people. This station was home to one of the most significant chapters in African American labor history. Oakland became a crucial center for the Brotherhood of Sleeping Car Porters, the first black-led union in the US. The Pullman Porters, who served on luxury trains like the Pullman Palace cars, were largely black men. Despite facing long hours and poor conditions, they organized and fought for better pay and working conditions. This station was a hub for that labor movement, led by figures like Oakland's own C.L. Dellums, a civil rights leader and key figure in the Brotherhood. In 1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake severely damaged the station. With its operations already in decline due to the rise of car and air travel, the station closed for good in the early 1990s. Since then, its tracks have been removed, and Amtrak shifted its operations to nearby Jack London Square. Though no longer in service, the 16th Street Station has found new life in other ways. It's been used as a set for films and music videos, and there are ongoing efforts to restore and repurpose the space for community use. The building has seen celebrations, art performances, and even weddings, keeping its spirit alive. Restoration efforts have been ongoing, but funding remains a challenge. Estimates suggest that full restoration could cost up to $50 million, requiring seismic retrofitting and interior renovations. Local organizations and developers are working on plans to ensure the station remains a part of Oakland's future, even as housing projects spring up around it. Preservationists are fighting to keep the station's legacy alive, highlighting its historical significance to both Oakland and the broader civil rights movement. The 16th Street Station stands as a reminder of a time when railways were the lifeblood of America. Its history is intertwined with the struggles and triumphs of the people who passed through its doors. While its future remains uncertain, its legacy is undeniable, a monument to progress, perseverance, and the hope of what might still come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep the story of 16th Street Station alive.